Iresa-Adu. Iresa-Adu is an ancient Yoruba town in Oyo State, Nigeria, known for its rich history and cultural heritage. It forms a twin community with Iresa-Apa, with both towns sharing the same roots and ancestor. You must have heard of Iresa-Apa. We covered it fully in our previous video, exploring its history and culture. If you have not seen it yet, kindly check it out after this video. Today, our focus is on Iresa-Adu. Remember, in our previous video of Iresa-Apa, I mentioned that in our journey to uncover the history of the land of Iresa, we met with three respected elders from both Iresa-Apa and Iresa-Adu. They are all from the royal family and each one shared what they had learned from their forebears. And even though there are differences, we choose to stick with all the info and not choose one over the other, but present it all to you, our audience. According to the elders, the ancestors of the Iresa people migrated from Ile-Ife. One popular tradition says that they were led by a powerful leader called Asebi, while another mentioned a leader named Ikin, who was directly linked to an ancient deity from Ile-Ife known as Obamiri. As they journeyed from Ile-Ife, they first settled in a place called Ipasa, close to the present-day Osogbo. The people of Iresa spent many generations in Ipasa, building their community and even burying several of their kings there, before finally moving further to their current location. After many years, an important event occurred that made the people split their kingdoms into two towns, Iresa-Adu and Iresa-Apa. Even though these towns separated, they remain deeply connected and still see themselves as one family, sharing the same place name, Odi. Elders of Iresa proudly mention that their town is even older than bigger towns nearby, like Ogbomoso.
Banana to be Iresa-Apa, to be Iresa-Adu, cool friend, Rai, in the Abanesi, the Passalan, and to go to be a cool friend, Asebi, what is the in Passa, the Passan, 10 bank, but it